Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Instagram. This is going to be a short, easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. In order to log out of your Instagram account, you need to simply tap on the three lines from your profile section right here and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Tap on settings, and if you scroll down, you will have an option of logout. Tap on logout. Now you have a option right here which says remember my login info. Now if you want this device to remember you the next time you log in, you need to check this box. If not, you can uncheck it and then you can tap on logout. And as easy as that, you will be logged out of your Instagram account. Now if you guys liked and found this video useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, also subscribe and turn on the notifications for more interesting videos similar to this. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.